welcome back to the channel where today we're going to show you how to dissect your clutch master cylinder. Now, normally I would try to document the whole uninstall process, but as you can see in the video, these are very tight circumstances. I was upside down for a lot of it. The hoist was up, down. We were going all around trying to get this thing out, and we could barely get it out, let alone even fit a camera up there to document this for you. So hopefully, if you have to take it out, your engine is already out, because oh my gosh, yes, you absolutely can get it out with your engine in, but you certainly do not want to. So we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so here you guys can see we have our TIC Performance Clutch Master Cylinder that we have removed from the Trans Am. Now we'll get some gloves on and go ahead and show you guys why we had to remove it. It was leaking, so we had intermittent clutch use. So if you take a look behind the boot, you can kind of tell why it was leaking. So normally these things come with a lifetime warranty, which is great, except if you do not have proof of purchase. I do not have proof of purchase from years and years and years ago. So we are going to rebuild this instead. Lucky for us, Tilton does offer a rebuild kit, so we have gone ahead and gotten that. Today we'll go ahead and show you how to dissect your TIC Performance Clutch Master Cylinder. So we will go ahead, remove our nut, and remove our boot. Now you guys can see what we are dealing with here. So when you use the clutch, going like that, you can see here, it's just pretty nasty and needs to be rebuilt. So to disassemble this, there is a circlip that's clipped in right along in here. Got our circlip pliers. Put that in there. Whoop. And you can see we remove our circlip. Kind of keep this in order here. Got your nut, your boot, your circlip, and then you can see where this goes in like that, and the circlip holds everything down in there. So this will come out, we'll leave that on it just like that. See here. Okay. Oop. So then after that, we got this, angles in down like that. You can also probably start to see the spring right there. So here's the piece, you can see where that fits into there. And then we've got our spring. And hopefully you can kind of see down in there where everything sits. So the spring goes on top of that rod, you can see down there, and you can see how dirty everything is. It's just a mess. Take that cap off again, you can just see how much absolute gunk and sludge is in there. So go ahead and clean that out as well. We have essentially dissected our TIC Performance Clutch Master Cylinder. You can see here, we've got the main body. We started to clean it out a bit. And from the main body, we got this reservoir up top with the clip that has a rubber gasket on it. And here is the mechanism that goes inside. So you got your spring rod, you got your spring that sits at the bottom like that. This goes into here, and you can see that curve-shaped
bottom, what I guess goes into, and then got a circlip goes over that, the boot, and your nut, which screws on the end there.
Alright guys and gals, so that concludes our dissection of our TIC Performance Clutch Master Cylinder. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below. And be sure to stay tuned for the rebuild.